Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. The question is from official guide and the level is difficult. Concept is subject verb agreement. As I said that it's a concept of subject verb agreement, and that is why we should know what is marker and how to identify verb and how to identify subject. That will be the concept. So let us begin. At the beginning of the solving, first of all we should read the passage and try to get the intended meaning. So let us begin. It says Dostoevsky, whose novels plumbed highly philosophical themes. Nietzsche had a background in classical philology that gave him a unique perspective toward the Western philosophical tradition, and the Danish Christian writer Kierkegaard were considered the founders of existentialism, right? So look here, what is marker? So the marker is were founders of existentialism. It means there were three founders. All right. Now, how to spot subject, that is the concept. Remember, so we have to look at the different words. Now, no doubt, Danish Christian writer Kierkegaard is one of the subject, and after that it is connected with an. It means Dostoevsky and Nietzsche are also these subjects. But the point is what? That how to differentiate and how to check it. Remember, remove this part, you will find that there is one entity and that is Dostoevsky. After that, remove this part, you will find that it is another entity. So, between two commas, what is it? Actually, it is modifier, and modifier is always extra information. So Dostoevsky, whose novels plumbed, is extra information for this one, and that is why remove and check. Now, this is again extra information for Nietzsche, and after that Kierkegaard. So this is extra information for Kierkegaard, and that is why these three are the subjects, and so word is fine. Now what is the shortcut? Now we got to know that Dostoevsky, Nietzsche and Kierkegaard are the subjects, and that is why word is okay. So let us check where is was. Now this is was, so that is incorrect, and that is why out. So option B out. Look here, option C, same problem, right? So option C out. Why? Because subject verb agreement error. And now third is were, fourth is again was, and that is why out. So three options eliminated. Remember, whenever you look at any sentence, check that is there any same type of error in options. If yes, then eliminate. That is called splitting. Fine. So option B, option C and option E out just because of subject verb agreement. All right. Now why are we sure that were should be the subject? Because Dostoevsky is not underlined, and that is why we cannot ignore it. So there is surety that it will be subject, and after that the verb should be in plural form because there are a lot of other information. Now option A has were and option D were. So which should be the best option? Remember people, actually option A has error. What is error? Here when we say Nietzsche had a background in classical philosophy that gave him a unique perspective toward the Western philosophical tradition. What if we do not separate information with the comma? It means the whole sentence will be the modifier for themes or Dostoevsky. Did you get? So the point is, what if I do not put comma after Nietzsche? In that case, the whole information will be modifier. It means this will be the modifier for again Dostoevsky, and that will be incorrect. So to make it correct subject, there should be modifier for Nietzsche, and that requires comma, and that is why option A out. So people, let me repeat the point. Why option A is incorrect? Because without comma it will play a role of modifier. And in that case, subject will be Dostoevsky and Danish Christian writer. Still, war is okay, but it will change meaning. Why? Because Dostoevsky is not Nietzsche. They are two different things. And that is why option A out, option D becomes best option.